In the French capital, Paris, trial begins for a man accused of covering in graffiti a statue that honors Jean-Baptiste Colbert on Monday.
Racial discrimination, especially against black people, even though there is some form of racial discrimination against others, well, those about negrophobia come from the colonial past, and Colbert is a major figure of this colonial past, this past where black people were not recognized as human beings.
Colbert was a 17th century royal minister who wrote rules governing slaves in France's overseas colonies. Anti-racism activists have been campaigning to have the statue taken down.
The system itself is negrophobic from the moment that it doesn't put into question the history. France is capable of healing from its negrophobia and from its state racism in general, but the French state must learn to face its own history and not only the parts of the history that it likes. For example, the statue of Colbert was carved to the glory of the white supremacy. What we did, and people don't understand, is that we listened to President Macron, who was saying France was facing its entire history, and we wanted to help him follow through.
Colbert is celebrated in France for an economic doctrine which relies on the idea that state intervention is needed to serve the country's economy and wealth.